I'm going to explain here how to set up a poll in Zoom, how to run it during the session. So at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the image in the panel, the Zoom panel that says polls. This will bring up the ability to run a poll during the Zoom session. You have to turn on this capability in the back end. The way that you do that is you go to your settings, and in your settings, you scroll down to In Meeting. In Meeting has an option called Polling, and make sure that this is blue, which represents that it's on. Once you've done this, you're going to want to set up your polling questions. So find the meeting. I'm right now streaming a meeting, and this is the code for the meeting. I set up the meeting, and what I want to do with this meeting is I want to add questions for the poll. So under the word poll, I can click the word add. I can do this while a meeting is open, and it will automatically add them into the poll. I'll show you how that looks. So I added a question here. You click add. That opens up a screen to give you the ability to ask a question. I already have a question that I've created. The way that you add it is adding the question here in the section. You can have a title that we call it opening question, and here in your question box you can put in whatever you'd like the participants to answer, and that's going to be a question that you're going to poll them during the session. And you have to give at least two possible answers. You also have the choice, as I showed here, to make the people who answer, that their identity is anonymous, so you won't know who answered what in the poll. Once it's done, once it's ready, you go back to your Zoom screen, and you're able to, at this point, to go to where it says polls at the bottom, and then you open the poll. I only had one question created, so I open that poll. Are you excited for the New Year of Learning? And I click Launch Polling. Once I click Launch Polling, all the participants who are in the room now see this on their screen. I don't have anybody in the room, so it's 0 of 0, but you'll be able to see, it shows you attendees are now viewing questions. You'll be able to see how many people have voted. Give it a few seconds. If you're doing this as an opening trigger, 30, 45 seconds for people to read the question and come up with an answer. Once you're done, you would end polling, and then you can share the results with everyone in the room by clicking Share Results, and that will bring this box with the results in front of the group. And that's it.